Killmaster, and today we're going to play Hunger Games, but this is going to be different. Me and Springtrap is going to do the one chest challenge. It's where we can only get one chest. And I did get a VIP kit, but without the armor. And it's going to start. 3, 2, 1, go! So, this is going to be bad.
I have no weapons on the view.
I got one. I got a weapon.
How much?
Some sword. Got a stick?
Yes, that's it.
Hey, where are you? Where are you, Springtrap? I don't... Dude, stay in the middle. At least try to stay in the middle. It's a war zone. EPS? Oh, a stick. The Majestic Murderer. What? My stick. You got iron leggings. Give me that. You're gonna fight me with iron leggings. Whoa, Grace.
Yay, killed him. I see somebody with the patty, and he's going for me. Killmaster, there's somebody with the patty. I'll save you with a stick of truth.
Oh, no, never mind. Junior, come here. Oh, God. Oh, here.
Yay, nice. Wait, what do you like to sell?
You need armor?
I don't have a lot of pieces on there. I'm so terrified.
You need armor. Oh, here. I got chest plate. That. There you go. The helmet. Chest plate. And the legging. That's all I have for you. Need food? People.
Where?
Let's go.
What?
360 no scope. You got a team after you, bitch. Uh-oh.
I'll help you. Go to shoot Betty. It's one of the Betty. I'm gonna murder him.
Oh, that's gonna be hard. Let's go with all of our might. Go, attack! Alex Wonderwilly! No, I'm dead.
I'm gonna yell at you.
Avenge me!
Yes, yes.
Let's see.
Yes, I killed him.
Ah.
I killed that guy.
Well, this is Killmaster saying goodbye. If you sneeze in the video, bless you. Hopefully, though. Bye-bye.